Hi, this is Michelle Aiden with Libertas Institute at the Capitol with Senator Fillmore to talk about Senate Bill 153 regarding self-reliance. Will you give us some information about your bill?
Sure. Senate Bill 153 requires that new applicants for public assistance, as a condition of continuing on and receiving public assistance, would simply have to complete over a period of 90 days, would have to complete 2 hours of training or counseling or classes in principles of self-reliance. Because the purpose of public assistance isn't to provide food, although we provide food. And it's not to provide housing, though we do that. It's not to provide money or health care, although we do both of those things as well. The real purpose of public assistance is to help people become self-sufficient and self-reliant and really responsible for themselves and able to achieve their own success, because that's what will lead to true happiness.
Great. Why do you suppose this hasn't been done already?
That's a good question. So I don't think that there's a lot of disagreement with the principle, but there's a school of thought about the process that anything you put between somebody in a tough situation and the benefits that they need is a roadblock. But I just think we're not doing people any favors by creating incentives for dependency. And if what we say to people who are in legitimate need, that you poor thing, we have to take care of you, please sit back and be taken care of, what we're doing is incentivizing dependency.
Right.
And our position ought to be, you need help and we want to provide that help, but we want to provide it in a way that incentivizes you and gives you skills and knowledge so that you can do this on your own, because that's really what's going to give you personal satisfaction, achieve a true level of happiness, and really let you go out and achieve your own success. And that's what we're after with this bill.
Perfect. And then last, what do you hope the outcome will be?
So I see this as we're kind of planting a flag of self-reliance. So obviously the immediate outcome would be, I hope that this bill would pass so that we can enshrine in state code that the purpose of assisting people is to help them build self-reliance. But over the long term, I hope that we can use this as a springboard to launch other initiatives that actually have real incentives and real financial incentives, that instead of just making a statement with a little bit of training that goes along with it, but that really provides incentives for people so that when they're on public assistance, they are really reaching towards something that can help them achieve that success.
Great. If you want more information or to contact one of your legislators, just click on the link in the description below.
Thanks.
Thanks so much.